The one on video. I don't know how to.
Go the one I do.
The man. These are just the. Oh, this is not just the issue of taking people's property. The issue is that people's property crops have been demolished. These are crops. This community has nothing. They don't have river for fishing. They don't have a bush for hunting. They don't do goldsmithing. This is just their handwork. Their handwork is just to farm. And without notice, these people just came into this community and demolished all the crops. It is so disheartening. So disheartening. We are not talking about collecting land by force. We are talking about destruction of crops. These women planted these things against next year. Against next year. These are widows. These are women that have nothing at home.